Brickwork endures as one of the most timeless and reliable elements in construction. Its classic charm and formidable strength have stood the test of centuries, gracing homes, walkways, and walls all around us. But even the sturdiest brickwork isn't immune to wear and tear. Over time, weather, settling, and accidents can cause bricks to crack, chip, or loosen, leaving your property vulnerable and detracting from its beauty. The good news is, you don't have to be a master mason to restore your brickwork to its former glory. With a few essential tips and a little patience, you can unlock the secrets to easy brick repair and ensure your bricks stay beautiful and strong for years to come. First, let's explore the common signs that your brickwork needs attention. Cracks running through the mortar or brick face, bricks that wobble or have shifted out of place, and areas where mortar has eroded away are all indicators that repairs are in order. You might also notice discoloration from water damage, or in some cases, entire sections of brick may be crumbling. Addressing these issues early not only restores the look of your brickwork, but also prevents deeper structural problems down the line. Before you begin, it's important to gather the right tools and materials. For most basic repairs, you'll need a hammer and cold chisel, a tuck-pointing trowel, a wire brush, a bucket, a sponge, and safety gear such as gloves and protective eyewear. You'll also need replacement bricks if any are severely damaged, as well as mortar mix or repair caulk designed for masonry. For color matching, purchase mortar that closely resembles your existing joints, or consult with your local hardware store for pigment options. The foundation of any effective brick repair is preparation. Start by clearing the area of loose debris, dust, and old mortar. Use your wire brush to scrub away dirt and your chisel to carefully chip out crumbling mortar. Remove any damaged bricks by gently tapping them free, taking care not to damage the surrounding bricks. If necessary, use a masonry saw to cut through stubborn mortar lines. With the area prepped, it's time to mix your mortar. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions, aiming for a consistency that's firm yet workable. Think of the texture of peanut butter. If you're working in very hot or cold weather, adjust your water content accordingly, as extreme temperatures can cause mortar to cure improperly. To replace a damaged brick, butter the sides and bottom of the cavity with fresh mortar. Slide the new brick into place, pressing firmly to set it level with the existing bricks. Use your trowel to add more mortar around the brick, ensuring all gaps are filled. For best results, gently tap the brick with the handle of your trowel to seat it securely. Clean away excess mortar with your sponge and use your tuck-pointing tool to finish the joints, creating a smooth, professional look. For repairing cracked or missing mortar, known as repointing, start by moistening the joints with a damp sponge to prevent the dry brick from pulling moisture out of your new mortar. Load a small amount of mortar onto your trowel and press it into the cleaned joint, packing it tightly. Work in sections, smoothing the surface as you go. Once the mortar begins to set, use the edge of your trowel or a jointing tool to shape the joint to match the existing pattern. This not only improves the look, but also ensures water sheds away from the joints, preventing future damage. Some cracks may not require full repointing or replacement. For hairline cracks or minor chips, consider using a masonry repair caulk. Available in a variety of colors, these flexible sealants are easy to apply with a caulking gun and can be smoothed with a damp finger or tool. They're perfect for quick fixes and can extend the life of your brickwork between larger repairs. Water damage is a common culprit behind brick deterioration. If you notice white, powdery deposits, known as efflorescence, on your bricks, it's a sign that water is moving through the masonry and dissolving salts. Clean the affected area with a stiff brush and, if necessary, a mild vinegar solution. More importantly, identify and fix any sources of moisture, such as leaky gutters or downspouts, to prevent recurrence. Preserving the long-term health of your brickwork involves a few simple maintenance steps. Regularly inspect your bricks and mortar for signs of damage, especially after harsh weather. Clean your bricks with a gentle detergent and brush, avoiding high-pressure washers that can erode mortar. Keep nearby plants trimmed so roots and vines don't compromise the masonry. And if you live in an area with freeze-thaw cycles, consider applying a breathable masonry sealer to help protect against water infiltration. Sometimes, brick damage is a symptom of deeper structural issues, such as foundation problems or significant settling. If you notice extensive cracking, bulging, or bricks pulling away from the wall, it's best to consult a professional. These cases may require more advanced repairs, such as underpinning or rebuilding, to ensure the safety and stability of your home. When it comes to aesthetics, matching the color and texture of your mortar is key to a seamless repair. Mortar changes color over time due to weathering, so even a perfect match in new mortar can look different once it dries. For best results, test a small batch in an inconspicuous area and experiment with adding sand or pigment to achieve the closest match. Remember, patience is your greatest ally in brick repair. Take your time cleaning, mixing, applying, and finishing the mortar. The more care you put into each step, the longer your repair will last and the better it will look. Brickwork is, after all, a testament to enduring craftsmanship. A small investment of effort today preserves its beauty for generations. In summary, easy brick repair boils down to 3 essential secrets: careful preparation, the right materials, and mindful technique. Whether you're replacing a single brick or repointing a whole wall, these steps can help you restore strength and elegance to your brickwork with confidence. By unlocking these secrets, you'll not only save money and time, but also gain the satisfaction of preserving the classic charm and durability of brick, one repair at a time.